casting is when you change one data type to another, right? So casting, it just means that you are changing one data type to another, one integral data type to another, okay, one number to another. Specifically, you can change from an integer to a double. Ungashintsha from a double to an integer. Sayabona leyo nto ngisho. Yes. So ungawushintsha from integer to double, double to integer. That's known as what? Casting. So out ama casting is now, we have got the first one esibiza ngani? Narrowing. So we've got widening. Let's start with widening. So I'm going to write this as a comment, kanjeni. So we've got widening casting. So widening casting which should say I'm trying to widen. In a wide part where integer, between integer ne double, which one is wider? Double. Siyavuma ngisho. In a wider, says a song, in a wider, integer ne double. Which one is wider than the other? Obvious, double in a decimal places angisho. So it's by number enkulu, but integer is only one number, right? So I can convert the two. It's a good technique. So let's just say I want to do widening casting. So mangenza widening casting, it means I'm changing from what? From integer to double. So from integer to double. So this is from integer to double. So I'm changing from integer data type to double data type. So take it, I have got integer yami ewu5. Right? So ngizothatha integer yami ngithi my integer is a is equals to 5. Uzovela manje. Now, this is an integer ngisho. And mangifuna ukushintsha le integer lena ibe yini ibe double. I have to call this method. So I will say double. Bese I give it a name leyo double engizoyikhanda. Mhlambe ngibize nobani, ngibize ngoma double kanjeni. And then I will say double again in a bracket. I will say double again, and then I will say double the A. Double the A. Let's see. Yeah. This one. Now, so in a sense, this is known as widening casting. Sishintsha from integer type to double cast. So in the integer ewu5, sayibona ngisho. Ngifuna uyishintsha ibe yini ibe double. U5 ezidouble izoba ubani? 5.00000. Idouble angisho isedecimal. Yes, kumele kube 5.00000. So kumele ngithini? I want to create a variable my double. Sayibona ngisho. So ngikhanda i-variable my double of the type double. And then in the bracket ngiyasho uthini? It must be a double, but I'm converting ubani? U-A or integer. So if I print this out, what do I expect to get? If I do system.out.println, I expect to tell you 5.0. Let me just use print without println. Print system.out.print print ubani. Ngifuna ukuprinta lo my double angisho. Le variable my double kumele abe ubani? U5.00, because it's actually converting A into a what? Into a double. So let me just say my double. Sekanjeni. Mangizothi ngiyayiprinta nayi lento, asiraneni ku console yethu yesiboneni ukuthi what does our console give us. Nazo ke. Nayi, sayibona ngisho. So don't mind the term because we already did the term because angisho. Some finally capital letter whatever. We've already done this. Look at this one, it's what? 5.0. So I've turned this 5 into a double. So this is known as any widening casting. Simple angisho. Yes. And then any casting is nayo in narrowing. So narrowing casting. So lapho ke sisuka from double type to bani to integer. So from double data type to integer, we are doing narrowing casting. Sayibona ngisho leyo nto. So now let me just create double variable ngibize u-a. Okay, ngithi double my double, for example. Okay, double UniZulu is equal to 45.56. Now, so now double UniZulu is 45.56. I'm sure you double the number then. So if you change it be integer, right? As an integer, what do you expect, Lance? Output it. As an if I convert this to an integer, 46 number 45. 46. Does it round off? Let's try to see what it does. It round off, no my round off. So to do in narrowing casting, I'm going to change it double even integer. So ngizokanda a new object int. I'm now calling it an object, it's fine. Call it a variable, it's still the same. So int mhlambe u-int wami ngimbize my int is equal to, and then now I put the brackets angesh, the parentheses. And then kulawo ma brackets ke ngizofaka ini. What do I put in my brackets konje? Int, because ngifuna ukonvert to what? To an int. So I'm going to write int phakathi. So nangu int bese lana ke ngaphandle kwe bracket, outside the parentheses, after writing int ngizobhalani? UniZulu, the name of the double. Sayibona ngisho. Iphethini efanayo lena. Ekuqaleni lana it's int a is equals to 5. Manje int a is equals to 5. And then sathini double my double, masifuna ukushintsha lo 5 abe double. Sitheni in brackets, sasho in, so sifuna ukushintsha to double. Yini esishintshayo? U-a, i-variable. Same applies, int, sishintsha ubani? U-UniZulu. So I'm going to take u-UniZulu exactly as it is, so that ingabi ne-syntax error. So I will copy it, and then I will paste it, and then I put a semicolon. Sayibona ngisho. And then, izovela yini if I run this program manje? Is it going to print out anything? No, I have to call the system print out card. So if I say system.out.print, system.out.print, print ubani, my int. My int uzoba yini? Uzoba u40 bani. Ask a send before say run. Uzoba 40 bani. Ngizo 5 na 6. Ubani round of 5, ubani round off. Let's run. The program will tell us, don't worry. Wait. Okay, it's 45 the answer. Oh, thanks, Sabong. It's 45. Sorry, it's a print alone here. I'm supposed to do a print line. Now you will see the difference between a print or print line. So, man, say printing pair, it means they're gonna print in the same line. But if I say print with an ln, it means we'll see the second outcome. It prints out will be down here. So I'm going to put a print line. I'm going to put print line, and I'm going to rerun the program again, and we'll try to see. I'll separate it when I'll separate it. So as lo print lo my double simfile line na ngoba uyasihlupa. Save. Sikhumbuleni open panel len mawubona enye into ongasiza ngayo. Yeah, sekulungisekile manje. If you see anything that you can help with, ungathuli. Because abantwana ama minds lana kodwa bathulile. 0.045 sayibona ngisho. So uprint line, when you see print line, what does it mean? It says print on separate lines. But mangizovela ngithi print, it means uthini? Print on the same line. Sayibona ngisho. So nakho. So we are learning is kancane kancane. Dayi ujavu ungahambeli ngathi une pressure kakhulu. Take it slowly nje. Sekukuningi nje sesikufundile so far. Don't worry. So this is how it works. So this is known as init, this is known as the casting, right? So after casting yini enye oyaziyo, passing. Right. So I need break more 12 by the way if I didn't say. So after casting swanani as well. After casting swanani ne passing. There are similar things as well. Passing, it means you are taking something, a numerical string. As well said. You are taking a numerical string, then you are converting it to a what? To an integral data type. So from numerical string. So uyisusa from numerical string to integral data type. Noma to a number data type, don't say integral, just say number. Just say to a number because it will also include about double now. Alright, so here we are going to do what? We are going to take a numerical string. Sayikhumbula actually a numerical string. Yes, it's a string that consists of what? Of numbers. So atlahle sinama numbers, but lawo ma numbers they're in what? Inverted commas. So mangati string A is equals to 89. If I say I take a string 89, kanjeni. If I say I take a string 89, this is string A is equals to 89. Okay, let's give it another name. A, I've already named it already before. String bani, the name. Give me one name that you want. One Cairo. I think to Cairo. So string Cairo is what? Is 89. What type of string is this? This is a what? A numerical. Sibiza ngani? Numerical string. Sayabona ngisho. Shuthi inani yona ine number phakathi. So to convert athathe lento lena it's a string. You cannot do ama operations as if like it's a what? It's an 89, like 89. Maungathi 9 plus Cairo. You are not going to get 9 plus 89 because the 89 is enclosed in what? These inverted commas. So it means it's not an integer. Treat it as a string. Nano mga abo 89 abawu 2 as abo string. Mas ngathi string 89 plus string 89 sosolubani 89. Because it's string concatenation and ngisho string they just combine together. I won't do that practically because it's something that you know from Python. So lana I want to change lo Cairo lo abe integer. So I'm going to use passing. I'm going to say I want to change this to an integer, and the method that I use, I put a dot for what? For the method angisho. Kumlani dot operator is to do what? Call a method. Sayibona leyo angisho. I method lana yini pass. It's known as pass. So this is pass int. And then phakathi lana, the argument of that method. The argument is just something that you put in the bracket. The argument of that method is ubani. I am gonna write uKairo. It must be a string. Now, shuthi lana I'm changing uKairo, which is a string, into a what? Into an integer. So I'm doing what? I'm passing it. So passing is known as, is just changing from a numerical string to a number data type, to a num. I can also take it and convert it into a what? Into a double nakhona using the same method. Ngizovele ngibhale la kuno integer khona I'm going to write what? Double. La kuno int khona ngizobhala ubani? Double. There. Pass double dot pass double. Okay, let's just try to print out lokho kula. Mangathi system dot print out quickly la khona sobuka mhlawumbe ama question. System dot out print line. And then it's a print okay, so lo integer pass int Cairo, I'm changing what? I'm changing 89 to what? To an integer ngisho. So let me name that value Cairo integer. So I'm clapping it in Cairo integer. Hey. Uspace uyaphi manje. Cairo integer is this one. And it must be an integer now. Right. So now Cairo integer. So Cairo integer is what? Is integer dot pass int Cairo. Should say I'm doing what? I'm changing lo numerical string 089. Ngimenza abe yini? Abo 89 integer. Right? And I'm going to name that as what? Cairo integer. So mangizothi print out Cairo integer kumele ngithole ubani? U89. Ongenayo ini? Yes. So this is going to be Cairo underscore integer. Cairo underscore integer semicolon nakho. So I'm going to run this. with an expectation of getting ubani u-89 oyini oyinumber. Nakho-ke siyabona nangu 89 siyabona ngisho. Lo 89 lona is what? It's an integer type. So we have passed. So passing simply means uthini? You are changing from numerical string to a number data type. Ngayishintsha lento le ibe double. Mhlawumbe mangathi double bese ngithi Cairo double for example. Ngimbize ngo Cairo double. Le double lena for me to change lo 89 abe double ngizenza kanjani? Ngizothi double and then I say dot operator. Always ngisebenzisa dot to say it's a method angisho. It's a method to change. So I'm going to say double dot. Bese ngithini? Pass. Pass bani? Pass double nakhona. Pass double and then inside I'm going to put ubani u89 or Cairo. Sayabona ngisho. So lo Cairo lo oyi string. I'm trying to do what? I'm trying to convert it to a what? To a double. So if I go and print out lana ngithi system dot out bese ngithi dot print lin bese ngithi print u Cairo double. What am I supposed to get lapho? Kumele ngithole bani? Kumele ngithole bani mangaprinta lapho? 89 point bani? 0.0. It must be in a double format, right? But this is not really a double string. Is it going to follow our commands? Oh yes, it does follow the commands. Even if the string is only kind of a numerical string, a integer kuphela. When you pass it, meaning uyayishintsha-ke manje, you convert it to a double. So double dot. This is the object double. You treat everything as an object, but in most cases. So this is the object double. Lo pass double is the what? The method that you are implementing. Yes. A string was printed as a double. It's string carries 89, right? Okay. So string Cairo is 89 angish. 8.9. Alright, so if I make it an 8.9, right? Or if I want to print it as a double, so I'm still using the same method. I'm still passing 8.9, right? What am I supposed to get? 8.9. Yes, let's try. It's born in. And as an integer, what am I supposed to get? Before you print a line, as an integer, man. Hey man, what's the error there? For input string 89, a Java baseline, no format exception for input string. It's having a problem with your 8.9. Asimbonen, is it 8.9? No, it's 8.9. Which one is which one? Gonjela Java. Sitting as the chemistry. 8 point. If we put 8 point, it's giving an error exactly at 8.9. A Java lang error. So the compiler is not able to compile this. It's on a main Java lang number format exception. So there's a problem with the number format 8.9. I don't know why. Why? Oh yeah, it's gonna give a problem. It's gonna give a problem. Yeah, hey, should say siyayibonga na enye error entsha. Mase senza ama exceptions, I think chapter 12 or something. No, chapter 11. Please mind lama errors la. Ama errors are just known as exceptions in Java. So this is us converting, but let's use 89 for convenience sake. Cause so Spanila is how powerful is Java in converting. So sinani is casting, spin is passing. They are two different things. Casting is from double to integer, not from integer to double. Koni whitening ni narrowing. Basically, passing is from numerical string to an actual number. You can do that with the floats, Nakon. Is that hard, God? No. Is that hard?